Good morning, guys. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. We are actually with my mom. Mason, say hi. Say hi. He's so cute. We're actually with my mom. We came out of town to go to work with her, but just for the day, and it would be the day that my husband legit gets home as soon as we leave. Whatever. But we're gonna have fun. We're gonna go to a mall. We have a couple more places that we need to go to, and then I think we have one more store that she needs to go into, and then we're gonna go shopping. Super excited. But yeah, so right now we're sitting outside of a fitness place, and I'm like, like you can't really see in through the windows, but out of nowhere, like it lit up and you can just see people just like, and they're probably staring at me like she's crazy because she's vlogging. But yeah, guys. Oh, it's a nail and spa. Glossy. So yeah, guys, it's gonna be a good day. I do have some snacks though for Mason, so if he needs some, he can get some. What are you doing? Hi. What are you doing? Come on, let's go this way. Come on. Being said, I'm going to be putting yesterday's vlog with today's vlog because my intentions were to vlog all day yesterday, but with the traffic and the weather conditions, it was a no-go. Plus I'm pretty sure you guys just didn't want to see traveling vlogs because that was pretty much what all day yesterday was. But yeah, so we are going to run some errands today. As you guys know, Toys R Us are going out of business, so my dad is down there right now and we are meeting him because he needs a truck because he thinks he's buying all of Toys R Us today. But I am going, I know for sure there's one thing that I want to get. I want to get the Super Wings, the remote control where you fly the little plane, because Mason absolutely loves it, and every time that commercial comes on, he's like amazed by it. So that will probably go in his Easter basket from us, because I don't want to make him wait until his birthday. What about you?
I say make him wait.
That's too long. Easter's right here. So yeah, guys. So I got Mason back there, looking out the window, looking all cute as always. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm pretty sure I already said that, so let's get today started. So guys, we got to Toys R Us and my dad was outside, so we didn't end up going inside, but that's okay because today was the first day of the sale. Oh, I'm running over this canopy. So everything was only at 10% off, so really it wasn't worth it, but my dad got Mason some cool things. So yeah. So now we're inside Big Lots. We're looking at, well, we're supposed to be here looking at curtains for our living room, but we're looking at gazebos. Oh, I can't show you Eddie because he has his work hat on. So yeah. So guys, I'm gonna do a little bit of a grocery haul real quick. So first off, we have, this is a pound, right? 1 pound of lunch meat for Eddie. Then I got these little things just because I'm not big on sandwiches, but every now and then I crew sandwiches. So there's that. Then he got the pepper jack cheese, and then we have some of the Colby Jack. I got a pack of gum. Eddie got a pack of gum for his car, or his truck. We got some ground beef, and then we got some boneless, skinless chicken thigh fillets. We have some maple sausage for the morning. I have a crown of broccoli because I'm going to make a tuna casserole. This week we got some tortillas, we got some tortellini pasta, which I believe we're going to do for dinner tonight, and then we got the mac and cheese for our tuna casserole. We got the 4-cheese Alfredo for tonight, then we got Mason some cookies. I have a can of tuna celery for the tuna casserole, then we got some pork and beans just because we like to have stuff like that around, so when we barbecue, it's just easy meals we can make. Or sides, we got 2 cans of tuna for our tuna casserole, and then we got some teriyaki sauce for our teriyaki we're gonna do this week. We have some broccoli to go with dinners. We have, or some rice to go for a side for dinner. We have some beef stroganoff for a side. I got my bag of hot Cheetos. I got a box of maple brown sugar for breakfast. We got some lunch bags and storage bags. We have some garlic knots for tonight, and then those are gonna go in Eddie's lunches. And that's about it for our grocery haul, guys. Maybe it's back there. That's a real plane. Yeah, you're making the plane fly. Make it come to mama. Bring it to mama. Put it down, Bubba. Here, put it down. Okay, fly it. Look how cute my baby is.